In this video, I'm going to show you how to configure your product listing preferences. This is a service which our users can purchase when they want our expert team to list products for them. And also this service comes for free with the annual plan. So let's get started. First of all, what you have to do, you just click on the link on the email or just go to the platform. I'm going to show you where you can find it. So it's in services, click on we list for you and then configure it. Here it is. Okay, so as you see, it's not configured at the moment. I've got 50 and I haven't configured it. And we have to click on configure. Okay, now that we are here, first step is to choose the store. I'm going to choose mine. Okay, and now second step is choose supplier. There's two options. You can click on HustleGotReal chooses, so our team will choose for you, or you can click on I choose. So here you're able to choose from all the suppliers you desire. You can match suppliers to your store's location for optimal performance and customer satisfaction. You can set suppliers available based on the location of your store. So all the suppliers that are shown here are based on the location of your store. So these ones are the ones in Spain because my store is Spanish. Okay, so you can choose as many as you like. Okay, and now next step is the pricing strategy. You can also let us choose, or you can click on I choose. You can choose cost or profit. You can choose cost price range, set your ideal cost price range to find products that perfectly fit your budget and profit goals. This is the source price, so supplier's price before markup. You can define a minimum and maximum cost range for products to be listed. So you can say from 1 to 100, let's say. And then you can choose the other option, which is profit. You will align your profit targets with your markup strategy. Profit depends on the markup percentage you have set in your HustleGotReal account preferences. So make sure that your markup is correctly set. Okay, so here I added a minimum profit of 5 and a maximum profit of 50. To calculate profit, markup and fees configured in HustleGotReal are taken into account here. This is what I just explained. So remember, you can choose either cost or profit, but you can't choose both. Also, you can choose the frequency. So you can also choose our team to choose the frequency, or you can select yourself when you want your products to be listed. So if you can choose a date here, a date and a time. Okay, so here you can choose the minutes, which is the frequency in which our team will list for you. So if you click every 5 minutes, then you'll get one listing on the 15th of October 2025 at this time. This is the starting time, and every 5 minutes, one product will be listed. So that's it. These are all our preferences. So choose your store, choose the suppliers, choose the pricing strategy, either cost or profit, and choose the frequency. And then just click on send publish order. So now your preferences are configured and our team can start working to get all the best products listed on your store. I hope this video helped and thank you very much for watching. See you in the next video.